we adore the new way of finding Christ. In this day for Christians over the entire world, full of joy, our hearts cannot explain. On this day, all Christians will repent of their sin, forgiving and giving gifts to each other. In this day for Christians over the entire world, full of joy, our hearts cannot explain. On this day, all Christians will repent of all their sin, forgiving and praying for each other. On this day, all Christians will repent of all their sins, forgiving and giving gifts to each other.